Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Civil Engineering Guru. Today our topic is types of mixed concrete at site. So move toward our today's topic. Types of concrete mixing. Generally, there are two types of concrete mixing at site. They are manual mixing, machine mixing. Concrete mixing is very important for good strength of structure. Hand mixing concrete. Check the platform before mixing. At the time of mixing, ensure that no cement slurry flows away. Using mild steel trays. If a concrete platform is not available, check the proportion of sand, metal, and cement for one bag mix. Measurement should be taken by pharma only. Prepare one bag mix at a time. Dry material are mixed by turning them over from one end to another and cutting with shovel until the mix appears uniform. Turning is done 3 times. For dry mix material. For proper mixing, make a pond required size. On dry material for water, add an approximately quantity of water slowly to the dry mix. Using bucket, check the capacity of the bucket. Mix all the materials until a uniform color and consistency appear. After visual inspection, if the color and consistency of concrete does not seem right, add 10% more cement. In the same mix. Machine mixing. Machine mixing is faster and cheaper than hand mixing. It generally produces more strength and better workability. There are 3 types of machine mixing: tilting mixer, pan mixer, non-tilting mixer. Tilting mixer is used more often. Tilting mixer. Clean the hopper first. Place the coarse aggregate first in the hopper, following by sand and cement. Check if the correct quantities of cement, sand, and aggregate are loaded in the hopper or not. Raise the hopper to discharge the material into the rotating drum. Add the correct amount of water in the drum using a bucket. The period of mixing in the rotating drum should be 1 or 2 minutes. Advantages of machine mixing concrete. Water-cement ratio can be controlled easily in machine mixing. All materials like cement, sand, metal, etc. can be mixed properly. Easily control over mixing, such as up to the required color and consistency. Wastage of cement, sand, and metal can be reduced with the hopper. For larger concreting works, the strength of labor is reduced. If you enjoyed our today's video, then like and share our today's video and subscribe our channel.